Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. I am Kamal Sumer and today we are going to continue with double digit multiplication. By the end of the lesson, learners will be able to extend the understanding of double digit multiplication and find the largest and the smallest products. Let's see today's plan. We are going to start with 5 minutes mental math. After it, you are going to extend the understanding of double digit multiplication by knowing what is product. Then, two sums will be solved as guided practice, while two sums will be given to you to solve on the spot as an independent practice. Then, homework will be shared and digital resources will be recommended. You need to have SPMG 3, math exercise book and stationery. Pause the video and solve the mental math sums in 5 minutes. Let's start. Double of 32 is equal to dash minus 4 is equal to 11. 8 times dash is equal to 72. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is same or not same as 3 times 5. 4 times 9 is less or greater than 37. You can do self-correction later on with the help of the dash answer key. In previous lessons, we have learned how to multiply any number with 2 digits. Today we are going to learn what is product. When you multiply any two numbers, whatever answer you get is the product. Here you can see when you multiply 15 with 2, so the answer is 30. Here 30 is the product. Now we are going to solve exercise 3 of page 43 in your SPMG. Here you are going to find the products of the given sums. We are going to solve these 4 numbers one by one. After it, we are going to see which one of them will give the largest answer, the largest product, and which one of them will give the smallest answer, the smallest product. I have made the sums of them. I am going to solve first 2 as guided practice and you are going to solve the other 2 as an independent practice. I am going to solve this one first. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more relevant and comprehensive videos. 394 multiplied by 15. Starting from right hand side, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Write 0 at units and 2 at tens place value as carry. 5 times 9 is 45, add carry 2, it's 47. 7 at tens place value, write 4 as carry at hundreds place value. 5 times 3 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19, write 19 down. Now let's multiply with 1/10, write 0 at units place value and start with 1. 1 times 4 is equal to 4, write 4 at tens place value. 1 times 9 is equal to 9, write 9 at hundreds place value. 1 times 3 is equal to 3, write 3 at thousands place value. Now let's add these both. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, write 1 at tens place value and the other one on top as carry. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 plus 1 is 19, write 9 down and 1 on top as carry. 3 plus 1 is 4, add 1 carry, it's 5. It's done. I'm going a bit faster because the steps are same which we have already done in the previous lesson. This one is done. Now we are going to do the second one. 187 multiplied by 18. 8 times 7 is 56, write 6 at units place value and 5 at tens place value as carry. 8 times 8 is 64, add 5, it becomes 69, write 9 at tens place value and 6 at hundreds place value as carry. 8 times 1 is 8, add carry 6, it becomes 14, write 14 down. Now let's multiply with 1/10. Remember, when we multiply any whole number with 1/10, we always put 0 at units place value. So write 0 at units place value. 1 times 7 is equal to 7, write 7 at tens place value. 1 times 8 is equal to 8, write 8 at hundreds place value. 1 times 1 is equal to 1, write 1 at thousands place value. Now let's add these both to get the product. 6 plus 0 is 6, write 6 at units place value. 9 plus 7 is 16, write 6 down at tens place value and 1 on top as carry.
8 plus 4 is 12. Add 1, it becomes 13. Write 3 down and 1 on top as carry. 1 plus 1, add carry, it becomes 3. Write 3 at thousands place value. It's done. It's time to do an independent practice. Pause the video, take your time and solve these two sums. Let's do the self-correction. Pause the video and check your answers. We have solved 4 of the sums. It's time to find out which numbers have the largest product and which numbers have the smallest product. As you can see here, 5910 is the largest answer, 2743 is the smallest answer. Now let's write the answer statements. 394 multiplied by 15 gives the largest answer. Let me clarify one thing here. We cannot say 4910 gives the largest answer because 4910 itself is an answer. So actually we multiplied 394 with 15, which gave us the largest answer. Similarly, 211 multiplied by 13 gives the smallest answer. The similar homework is given for further practice. You have to solve 4 of these sums and then find out which one of them will give the largest answer and which one of them will give the smallest answer. You can do your homework in any form. You can do it in your exercise book and can share a snapshot, or you can scan the worksheet, do it and then share it. These are 2 online games for further practice. The links are attached with the video. You can get them on one click. This is an additional resource. You can use this template to create multiplication sums for your classmates, for your friends. This is enough for today. See you in next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Comment down and let me know which lessons you want me to cover in my upcoming videos. Take care.